Good morning, everyone. It's Tammy, and I am off to work. It's 10 o'clock though, so I'm going in late because I still don't have an office. Well, we think the office is cleared out now, but we don't have a key, or I don't have a key, so I can't get into my office. They're supposed to drop it off sometime this week and then make sure that the office is move-inable, and then I can move in. So I'm thinking that next week I will be able to move in, which I believe will be April 1st, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know, something like that. So right now I am on my way to a meeting, so I'm just going to go to a 10:30 to 12 meeting, and before I do that, I'm going to stop at Starbucks and get a drink for myself and for the manager of my team. So not my boss, but my employee who is a manager. I don't know what to call him sometimes, because whenever I say my manager, a lot of you guys, and I totally get it, think I'm talking about my boss, which would make perfect sense. But in my head, that means Jake. But to you guys, it would mean Mike. So, anyway, I mean, I could get something for Mike, but I normally just get something for Jake. And actually, Mike, now that I'm thinking about it, he drinks a cup of coffee in the morning, and then he doesn't drink coffee the rest of the day, he said. He has cut way down, he said, so I shouldn't tempt him anyway, but, Jake and I drink coffee all day long, so, as do most of my team. Gosh, I really think that most of my team does. I know that Joe does. I know that Mike does. I don't know about the girls, though, honestly. I'm not sure if they do or not. Something to think about. Nothing important. But, let's see. So, it's been a little bit since I've vlogged, and things are going really well. I feel very blessed. I can tell you that for sure. So, let's see. Let's start with my kids. So Katie was home for spring break. That went great. She stayed with me for the first part of the week, and then she stayed with her dad for a couple of nights, and then she even stayed with her brother one night. So that was really cool, and she really enjoyed it. She said that they had a lot of fun and that they sat outside and it wasn't scary, and they had a good time because they don't live in the best area of town, but they do live in a place that they can afford, so you know, that's part of it, part of growing up too. So, and they really like it, so that is awesome. So she had a good spring break. She actually had to spend some time at the library. She's a very studious kid anyway, so she was doing that, and it's all, I mean, it was great. It was just fabulous. We watched some television together, watched some movies. Her roommate, who is also her best friend, came down and stayed the weekend with us. Not this past weekend, but the one before, so the very first weekend of spring break. And she had a lot of fun. They made a video that I posted, so if you guys haven't seen that, Katie and Karis doing their video, you should watch that because it was really cute. And they were lip syncing to Disney songs that were kind of crazy, but it was really cute. They just had fun, and they were laughing and laughing and laughing, so it was such music to my ears. And let's see, my son is doing fabulously. He and his girlfriend are doing great. They came down a couple of times last week. Once to, what did they come for the first time? I don't remember, but it was great. I don't even remember. I know that they saw Katie, and they wanted to get some stuff from his room, and then the second time they came, I gave them planners that I had been gifted from different sponsors, and so, you know, I had planners that I wasn't really using, or was only kind of using, so I thought, you know what, this will be better for them if the kids can use them than to use them. So they seem to really like that, and so I kind of showed them how I plan. Alex already knew. Alex has had a plum paper planner, and he's planned with me before and all of that, but looked like Chloe was newer at it, and you know, I just told them that you just need to write it down, and if you write it down, you seem to get it done. And if decorating it makes you feel good, or if, you know, if things, sorry, I have like a hair or something in my nose. If decorating it makes you want to use it, then do it, you know, do it, make it your own, do what you need to do. And she likes to draw, so I was like, draw on it. And I told Alex to draw on it, you know, do your thing. Just have your list and you'll see it, and it'll make you want to do it. And it helps you prioritize, and then you feel better after you've done the things that you know you need to get done. Then you can do what you want to do, and you don't feel like you have these looming things around you. So I explained all that to them, and I think that they want to come back again in like a month and do it again, just to kind of feel like they're getting it. And I thought that was great. So they wrote down like all the dates that things are due and any appointments that they might have, those kinds of things. So it was really good. I feel really good about it. And then they don't have a washer and dryer, so they asked if they could come back and do some laundry, and they might even do that tonight. I told them that was absolutely fine. Anytime they wanted to was fine. So yeah, that's that. So they're doing great. And then this weekend, this just one that was just passed. So Katie spent the night with them on Saturday night until Sunday. And Sunday, I picked Katie up from church. Chloe was singing at church. So she comes from a very musical family. And she had a gig, I guess, I don't know what to call it, at a church that's close by that her dad actually is a minister at. I don't know how all of that works, but anyway, he's affiliated with the church, and he holds some position. But he helped her get this gig, and she sang. So we all went to watch her sing and to hear her sing, and she did a fabulous job. She has a really good voice, and I may post that on YouTube, but if I do, I will make it its own video, because I don't want to get a copyright violation. So I'll make it its own non-monetized video that you guys can watch if you're interested. But she did a really good job, so that was really cool. I need to make sure with her it's okay that I post it before I do. And what else? Oh my goodness. So Sunday after church, I had such a fabulous day. I cannot even tell you how great of a day this was. So Ellen and I went to Lisa's for brunch. She made these fabulous waffles and oven-baked bacon that was just to die for. I love bacon. Bacon doesn't always love me, but I love bacon. And it was so good. So good, so good, so good. And she even had sugar-free syrup, and she's just the hostess with the mostest. And we had a fabulous time. We were talking and chatting and sharing our planner stuff and sharing our MD cards, and we did our exchange, and I'll have to show you guys what I got. And it was just so much fun. And before we knew it, it was 6 o'clock at night. We got there at noon. At noon, yeah. We were like, holy shibboleth, it is late. So we had to pack it. Well, we didn't have to, but Lisa actually had somewhere to be at 7, so we did kind of have to. Her son was playing a basketball championship for a rec team at school, and so we kind of did have to go. But we were like, holy cow, we couldn't believe it was so late already. But we had such a wonderful time. We were missing Tracy, of course, and all of you. It would be great if we could have huge big meetings with everybody, because we love it all. But I have to say, my little small girl gang is such a blessing to me. I love these gals, and I feel so good to have them in my life. It is amazing. I don't even feel like, I don't know what I did to deserve it, because these gals are the best, and I cannot tell you enough how much I enjoy their company, each one individually and together. It's fabulous. It's so good. So I have my little girl squad that I didn't even really realize that I was missing or needed, but boy, did I need it. So it is amazing. That guy looks like the Cheers guy, the mailman, Norm, is that his name? I don't know, but that guy looked like him a little bit. Okay, I am at the Starbucks, so I'm gonna let you guys go, but I just wanted to chat and let you guys know that I am still alive and well and doing very well. I mean, like, seriously, my life right now, I am counting my blessings. I'm loving it. So every part of my life is fabulous. So thanks, guys. Have a great day. And I hope that your lives are great too.